Well, hi, friends. Anatomy instructor Travis with Show Fitness Internship. We're going to go over the hinge maneuver and talk about the muscles involved in the hinge pattern. So, the main agonist is going to be your gluteus maximus, which is right here. And then the next one's going to be your gluteus medius. After that, it's going to be the gluteus minimus. So, your main agonist in the hinge pattern is going to be your glutes. Remember, minimus, gluteus medius, and glute max. We have the gluteus maximus right here. Now, the synergists are going to be your hamstrings. There's going to be 3 hamstrings, well, 3.5, because we have the short head of the bicep femoris right here. There's a little guy that also attaches at the same point. So your hamstring muscles are going to be your long head of your biceps femoris, and your short head of your biceps femoris right here. And then the next ones for your hamstring synergists are going to be the semitendinosus. Now they call it the semitendinosus because the tendon that connects to the tibia is very long. Very clever anatomy, people, very clever. Very tendony. And then we have the semimembranosus. So for the hinge pattern, the semitendinosus right here, we have the semimembranosus, and then we have the bicep femoris more on the lateral side. So this is going to be more towards the outside of our body. Remember those. And the short head of the bicep femoris. That is one of your synergists for the hinge pattern. And the other synergist in your hinge pattern is going to be the erector spinae. Right here, we have this group of muscles, which is categorized as the erector spinae. You don't have to know all of these muscles. I'm going to click on them and read them out for you so you know which muscles they are, but group them together and they will be your erector spinae. And that's going to keep your trunk upright while we're doing the hinge maneuver. So the first one is going to be this one, the longissimus thoracis. The next one is going to be the ilicostalis lumborum. And, oh, where'd that other one go? There it is. We have the ilicostalis thoracis right there, and the spinalis thoracis. Now, you don't need to know all of those. They're kind of hard to pronounce. Just remember that they are a group of muscles that make your erector spinae. So those are the agonists and synergists in your hinge pattern.